Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. Today we have our Paw Patrol toys and we're going to ring the... Ooh! Now we must find the key for door number 1. What could be behind the door? It's a little orange. I love oranges for snacks. They are full of vitamin C, and vitamin C keeps our bodies healthy. It's important that we snack on healthy foods throughout the day. I will throw the peel into our compost bucket, and then our compost turns into dirt, and the dirt goes into our garden. Leave the kitty cat alone, Marshall. We're now at red door number 2. And the keyhole shape is in the shape of an L, which means key number 2 will have an L shape as well. The next snack that I like to eat is pistachios. They're full of vitamin B, potassium, copper, and they're good for your eyes. Some kids are very allergic to nuts, so this isn't a snack that I take out in public or the kids take to school, because some kids can have severe reactions, even being around nuts. You just never know who could be allergic. We're at purple door number 3. Ooh, that one's pretty. I like that doorbell sound. Let's find key number 3. With keys, you need to make sure they go in the right way, or they won't work. Do you know what these are? These are called snap peas, and they're crunchy and delicious. They're full of vitamin C as well, and iron. Iron is good for energy. And you can eat the peas and the shells. Tiny Treasures Mini and Tiny Treasures put snap peas in their lunch every single day, along with cut cucumber and an orange. Finally, green door 4. Ooh, I like that one too. Now you may have noticed, Tiny fans, we had some Paw Patrol friends that were missing. Do you know who they were? It was Rocky and Rebel, and they were hiding this whole time. And thank you so much for coming to Tiny Treasures. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.